All right, what's up, guys? I'm going to do another bad ad marketing breakdown for you. Now, this one here is, I guess you call it TopTal, and I actually went to them, so this is a retargeting ad. Good job, huge fan of retargeting. The problem here is this is actually a cool company. It's like Upwork or one of those, or like Freelancer, where you can go and hire people. Now, as funny as this sounds, is typically developers, programmers, those types, they use a lot of technobabble, okay? So they use a lot of language that is non-conversational language only techie people would understand. To their credit, a lot of people who hire them, like, this is their world a little bit, okay? But what they need to really look at doing is simplifying a couple things. For instance, their name, I guess they can't change their name per se, but maybe they can, I'm a fan, this is opinion, I don't like TopTal. I don't know what that means by the name. So I'm usually a fan, if we can, be direct. If you, in your name or your title, whatever you're doing, I think it's just awesome if people can know what you do by your name. Okay, that was a side note. So let's look at their ad. Tired of looking for the right UX-/UI designers for your project? So they're talking about user interface, and if you were going to have a mock-up of a product or a mock-up of a website or an app, you could hire somebody here and they would come up with a great design for what your app would look like, the user interface, how it would interact, what would the screens look like, what would the steps, and that sort of thing. So, well, again, it's just okay. I'm just trying to make these things better and want them to grab people and show the true value. What selling really is showing the true value of what you offer. All right. If you're not selling very well, it means you're not showing or revealing the value of your offer. Okay, and it's why you're not making sales. So, tired of looking for the right UX/UI designers for your project? No. As you know, hiring is a resource-intensive process. It often takes months and thousands of dollars spent on recruiting alone to find the right fit. If you're looking for a simpler way of finding your dream UX/UI expert, we're here to help. TopTal will match you with top-quality, pre-screened freelance UX/UI designers that meet your project requirements, all in under 24 hours. You'll then select a designer from 1 to 3 curated candidates and get started right away with a no-risk trial. Most of our UX/UI designers have 5+ experience with companies like Disney, Google, Apple. Let TopTal take care of the overhead of hiring while you focus on your project. It could be so much better. I feel like a UX/UI designer wrote this ad. All right. Again, I'm not really knocking the company because I went to their site looking for a developer type person, not a designer per se, but a developer for a project. So I guess, but I found them because I Googled something to the effect of software developers and that kind of thing. So let's think what we can come up with here. Covers a couple neat things. Do you have an idea? Maybe we need to be more specific. Do you have an app idea? Could say software idea. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to bring it to life? Ooh. See, that's a great ad. I mean, that's a great line, right? You're watching this right now saying, well, actually, I do have an app idea, but I don't know how to bring it to life. Everybody can say yes to that. I like to start basically every ad with some kind of emoji. This thinking one might be good. Let's use it for now. Maybe there's a better one out there, but so we're going to go specifically with app. We could also do that perhaps. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to bring it to life? You're worried that hiring a big firm to build your app would cost you thousands. Risking, how about this? And it would cost you risking your entire savings account. What if they steal my idea? What if they take my money and run? What if I don't like the project they deliver? Hey, this is a good ad, you guys. Feeling it. Don't let those bots stop you. Here at TopTal, we have gathered the world's best freelance app developers. Again, it may not be app developers per se. We could, I think we need to come up with something better than UX UI. Here at TopTal, we gather the world's best freelance app developers. And we'll turn the notifications off. We match you with the perfect it's not the best word, but we'll match you with the perfect candidate. Yeah. Team are experts taking your ideas from something. I think there's a book or something. Our team are experts at taking your ideas from the napkin to the launch. That's not the right phrase, but something like that, right? Our team's experts at taking your ideas, scratch them out. We're gonna take them, bring them to life, take them from the napkin to the launch pad. If you can dream it, you can do it. We've built the Voltron team from the best, how about this? We've cherry-picked our team from best developers that companies like Disney, Google, Apple, Shopify had to offer. Now we're giving you access to them. This isn't the best phrasing, pennies on the dollar. I don't want to devalue them. Click below and get started. A no risk trial. Your dreams lie dormant long enough. It's time to bring them to life before someone else does. Ooh, that's a good one. So yeah, I'd even change this tagline right here. Hire elite freelance designers. I would change it to something about, if you can dream it, we can do it. Your dreams have lied dormant long enough. Something like that. I really like this. If you can dream it, we can do it. Man, I think this ad would crush it, guys. So again, I like to kind of make word art, like I talked about text art. I like emojis, I like spaces, asterisks, these little things. Something to break it up for the eyes, right? I think there's a, if it's a cloud, is there a dream emoji? I just hit Control Command Space on my Mac. If y'all don't know, you can pull this up. There you go. If you can dream it, we can do it. Click below and get started with the no risk trial. So what does this do, guys? This catches like attention. Now again, you'd be targeting people based off, you would think that they're looking to build an app off the interests and stuff that they have. Are you worried that hiring a big firm to build your app could cost you risking your entire savings account or your entire, like savings, you could say arm and a leg, something like that. But I'm trying to like think about the market, right? You'll hear me say this over and over, that sales copy is all about knowing your market. So this one was actually pretty easy to write to, and I did this top of mind. I did not do this premeditated. I like to just hop into these ads and just start typing and see what comes up. But I've gone, like I said, gone to this site and sites like it because I have software ideas and app ideas, but I don't know how to bring them to life. And yeah, I am kind of worried that a big firm would cost my entire life savings, or maybe they'll steal my idea, or maybe they'll take forever, right? What if I don't like the project and it just becomes this nightmare going back and forth? Man, don't let those thoughts stop you. And here at TopTal, we've gathered the world's best freelance app developers and will match you with the perfect candidate within 24 hours. I almost wonder if like we could call them something like the perfect dream builder, dream maker, dream weaver, something within 24 hours. We've cherry-picked our team from the best developers that companies like Disney, Google, Apple, and Shopify had to offer. Now we're giving you access to them for pennies on the dollar. Again, I'd probably rewrite that. I don't want, yeah, maybe it's fine. Our team are experts at taking your ideas from the napkin to the launch pad. If you can dream it, we can do it. Click below, get started with the no risk trial, and then a little bit of scarcity and urgency, right? Your dreams have lied dormant long enough. It's time to bring them to life before somebody else does. That was a good line, guys. All right. This is bad ad marketing, bad ad markups. I don't know what to call this. It's just I'm having a good time. Like, subscribe. I got more stuff coming. Talk to y'all soon.